I also put together many years ago a technique out of absolute necessity, which I called Allergy's technique, which is a technique that enables me to very quickly and non-invasively evaluate any type of allergy with great precision and treat it with also very great precision. An example of that is if somebody comes to me with a mold allergy, I'll be able to tell them easily, quickly, without any invasion of their body, what the mold spore is, as an example. Is it Alternaria? Is it Aspergillosis? Is it Penicillium? Whatever the nature of the mold is, the species of the mold, we can identify it and determine whether it's irritating them and causing their symptoms. And the treatment is also non-invasive. It's of a bioenergetic nature. It's based on light frequencies, and without any side effects whatsoever, we quickly desensitize them to the mold allergy so that they can start breathing again without respiratory distress, without any kind of sinus issues.